Thank you, Sugatan sir, for sparing time this Sunday for a chit chat, for a conversation. And for your information, I'm recording this conversation because I want not only me to get benefited, but the people who will read my blog, for them also to get benefited.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure, Amol, especially interacting with you, a person who is always innovative and wanting to learn more, getting into new areas of discomfort.
True.
Interacting with such a person is always a pleasure.
Thank you, sir. For the benefit of all our audiences, let me also introduce Sugatan sir. Foremost, he was my manager at Tata Tele Services, where I was the quality manager, and he was the head of quality delivery. Apart from that, he was also handling several other responsibilities in terms of BPMS, in terms of corporate social responsibility. Before that, he was heading the quality engineering, quality for software engineering in Wipro, and before that, he was in the manufacturing segment. So, with all his vast understanding, with his vast expertise in various industry, he has a tremendous perspective around most of the things, and he's a forerunner in our domain in terms of adopting the industry 4.0 practices and how quality professionals can learn how to adapt uh, the industry 4.0 things which are clearly revolutionizing everything. Uh, in this conversation, I would be asking you certain questions, which are basically pointing out towards how can quality managers adopt the industry 4.0 in terms of making quality 4.0.
Great.
The first question, sir, is all our industrial revolution, the earlier industrial revolution, the one, two, and three, they were characterized by the either the steam, the availability of steam to drive engines, then electricity, mass production. How do you think industrial revolution 4.0, which is characterized by deep learning, machine learning, artificial intelligence, IoT, virtual reality, all of these, they are different from all other past revolutions. How are they making it different?
To my mind, the difference is not much, right? Whatever happened in the past is going to happen the same way. But at the end of it, again, like in the past, the humanity will end up in a better place. Let me explain what I'm saying. Right. So when steam-based mechanization came or electricity-based cranes came, the workers in the port and shipyards were threatened it, right? Their job security was in stake, and there was agitation, opposition to it, right? Then ultimately, uh, it took humanity to better position, right? Where people are able to do better things. Similarly, even 4.0 will take humanity to better place by removing mundane activities and enabling humans to use their intelligence in a more creative, in a more higher order way, right? So that's where we'll end up with. No need to worry about jobs, laws, etc., or robots taking over humans. No. Yes, they will take over the work we won't like to do, but we will be more productive, more effective, more online. The key words that are like you and your viewers might know and would like to keep in their mind, the buzz two words, simple words, so that we can keep it in our pocket whenever we want, we can use it. Right? The two buzzwords are real time and intelligent equipment and missions. Real time is the buzzword. Real time and intelligent machines, the two words which are coming in through 4.0. So net, it is going to take us to a better place down the line as humanity.
So, in other words, we can say that this revolution will help unlock human potential, right? Because as of
Yes,
now, we are busy in our mundane activities, but the mind is capable of doing much more.
much more. Very good. Very well said. Yes, a century back we were using our physical brain, right? So whoever was a muscular man, but the brain was not used. The humans are different from animals because of their intellect, right? That intellect is gradually we are getting more juice out of that intellect. We are capable of much more, right? So exciting times,
Yeah.
both for entire humanity and also quality professionals in particular